to use pipes.
In this video, we are harvesting sweet potatoes from a raised garden bed. The sweet potatoes were planted in a soil mixture of 4 parts mulch and 1 part sand. As the sweet potato vines grew, more and more soil was added until the garden bed was full. The most effective tool for harvesting the sweet potatoes was the pitchfork. We also found it useful to use a custom-made sift over a wheelbarrow to separate the sweet potatoes from the soil. Compared to other ways that we tried planting sweet potatoes this season, the raised garden bed was the most labor-intensive to harvest the sweet potatoes from. In total, the raised garden bed held 16 cubic feet of soil, and we managed to harvest 13 pounds and 7 ounces of sweet potatoes from it.